Alright, so we're going to be going over how to fill out your ALEKS Pi, and we're going to start with, first thing you'll want to do is take a look at your report, which is up here in the top right hand corner. You go ahead and click on report, and it's going to tell us how many hours we're starting at in ALEKS. So you're going to want to take a look down here towards the bottom where it says total time spent in ALEKS, and over on the right hand side it gives you your current total time in ALEKS. So on your ALEKS log, you'll see at the very top right hand side it's got the time for your starting time in ALEKS. So that's where you fill in your time that you started according to your report. Alright, so that's where you get that starting time, which is where you're going to want to start all your logs. So in order to get out of the report, you need to scroll down and click the Done at the bottom of the page. And this should take you back to your Pi. And this is where we're going to get our ALEKS topics. So you can see as we highlight over the green section of the Pi, I've got one topic available, which is simple interest. That topic of simple interest is what I'm going to be writing in my ALEKS topic. So let's take a look at what that is. So over here we have our ALEKS topic, that top left-hand corner. And right here where it says ALEKS topic is where I'm going to write in that little space provided, simple interest. So I write that down, and then I will click on that link for simple interest, which is going to take us to some problems on that. Alright, so the first problem we get has Jose deposits $700 in the account, pays simple interest at a rate of 2% per year. How much interest will he be paid in the first 3 years? Now writing that all out is going to take up a lot of space. So what you could do is just kind of focus on the information that you're given. Your $700 is your deposit. The interest rate is 2%. And then the question is, how much will you be paid in the first 3 years? So you just focus on those things. You don't necessarily have to write out the whole problem, especially when they're word problems. So you write that out in that box kind of provided. You're going to show your work, and then circle your answer in there. And you're going to do that for 3 examples from ALEKS. So when we finish this first one and we go and we click Next, it's going to take us to another example. And we put that in the second box over here. So write it all out, circle your answer, and then you do that 3 times for that topic of simple interest, so the topic that we started up here. And the next column, the next topic you pick on your Pi, goes up there and you do 3 examples of it. When you're done with all the examples, you notice that there's going to be 24 total topics, which comes out, they're not 24 examples, 8 total topics. You're going to have on the back a place here where you want to fill out your starting time in ALEKS, your ending time in ALEKS, which you still get at the same place. So when you're done with all of your topics and all your hours, you go to report, and you're going to want your report to read 3 more hours than when you started. So I'm currently at 21 hours, so your ending time needs to be 3 more than when you started. And then you'll notice that there's a grading scale at the bottom. It says, was every step shown? Is it legible? Was all the info listed? Is that 3+ hours? So as long as all those things are there and that you wrote as best you could, you're going to get all your grades for that one. Alright, so that's how you do ALEKS logs, and hope that helps.